Okay, made it to Guadalajara. We are down here by Playa de Armas. You can see right here. This room here is right now currently going for $47 a night. And it's actually a pretty nice one. All right, Island Hoppers. We are in Chapultepec. Here in Guadalajara Avenue, Chapultepec. See, it says to Nogales. We're gonna walk around here, show you guys what this place has to offer. We'll walk the center lane here on Avenue, Chapultepec. It's a night walk. A nice evening here. Just came from the Centro. We made a video about that. A lot of restaurantes over here. Vientuno, the Bone House. We're gonna get something to eat here. Let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. Got a fitness station there, Starbucks coffee on below. Coffee Legacy, a Domino's pizza. Must love their Domino's here. York Pub, that's a British pub. We got the garden. Cerveza Minerva. So many bars down here, it's unbelievable. I'm just trying to show you guys the middle here. There's bars on every side of the road. The real question is, for how long though? So this is where the young people come to hang out. Obviously, there's a university, the Guadalajara University nearby. Char grilled burgers at Carl Jr. I'm gonna try and get some food here at one of these places. Look at that spot. Is that called the Guajarita? I suppose many of you guys are wondering how it feels in terms of safety around Guadalajara so far, even at night. It's one of those things that, like, when you're in a public area, it's pretty good. When you get on the dark streets, you know, you might pass by someone who might say something kind of loudly or something. But for the most part, I felt as though Guadalajara has been pretty safe. Especially in the center, city center, here on Chapultepec. The only thing I would say is a little bit iffy is crossing the street. They don't have like walk signs or anything. Look at this, Rocket, Tomate Taqueria. I mean, this is just bar after bar after bar. It's like Miami Beach here in Guadalajara, except instead of one side of the road being a beach and the other side being bars, it's like both sides are bars. Insurgente, or La Insurgente. Probably gonna get some vitamin T. If you guys don't know what vitamin T is, that's what they call tequila. It's like a joke for, you know, need a little pick-me-up, get some vitamin T. Wow, lots going on down here, huh? Casa Dolores. Cervecchia Chapultepec. Oh, I kind of want to go to that place. Even Casa Dolores looks good. Oh, they got some salsa dancing going on here. Maybe the music. Ooh, yeah. Looks like they got some sort of mall over here. Wow, this place is pumping. Let me tell you. So yeah, when you come down to Guadalajara, you're gonna want to go get a hotel as close to Chapultepec as you possibly can. This is Chapultepec 480. Still got that bus going. Alright, so we're going to go in one of these bars here. Get some vitamin T, get a beer, maybe get some food. What is this? Bien Tuno. I haven't done any reviews checking to see if these places are going to check out as fun or not, but does that look like the place I want to go? I don't know. Let's see what else is over here. I want to show you guys this statue. I don't know if you guys could see it in the lighting. It's a big old stone statue, it looks like. The restaurant over there. All right, so it looks like we've basically come to the end of Chapultepec so far as I can tell, unless it just keeps on going. But what I'm gonna do now, take you guys to a restaurant and a bar and show you what they got going on here. But you can see that big tall statue right there. All right, so I got a Pacifico, shot at 1800 with a side here. It's like a tomato juice kind of shooter. Help take it down, the water, chips and salsa right here. So we're gonna start with this right here.
No, we're making a YouTube video, so we just doing it for the theater.
So this right here is a torta. This is what the most famous dish is out here, you can see. It looks like a sandwich, right? It's got pork, carnitas. Comes with these side sauces, so we'll see. So now we got some flan. Look at that. All right, guys, I just got back from Chapultepec. What a fun place. Caught an Uber back here. In case you guys are wondering, yeah, Uber is going. Overall, Chapultepec, that's the place to be if you want nightlife. Back in Centro, stick around for the other videos that are coming. We hope to go to Ajaik, which is gonna be fun. Obviously, we're gonna check out Tlaquepaque, some more history around Guadalajara. Thanks to everyone who subscribes. Watch some of these other videos. If you guys like videos like this, we'll see you on the next one.